Entiano no any demonstration be ekọ so e Ghana ha no mo. Eye newly posted nurses ya just oma ya adwuma 1 year any some month ni no omunya akete obusia omu demonstration omu ye kire party aban no. Na omu ye kire no social demonstration so TikTokers for no abe clash with them just hey clash mon come on ntum. Mo na mo koto maba obi ansele mo munye di munye kom mo ma so ndwem no mo ma ni munyo na munya de no catch munya de no munya de no ye ni abrepa munya de no ai Penyah broke media mess was say need over like if video no other my subscribe button so be click notification icon for latest updates na be tell why you dey mama e wo comment section best was over so no share for so enya di ahwe enti eye enra ana newly posted nurses in fact they were posted last year 2024 somewhere August mu and you posted wo mu what I say August mu and be bia buy say for mu adwuma abandon pen that's a couple literally 4 months to election and Ghana say Ghana sensem city no enye say fa wo adwuma ni asati tu akada bi obeya adwuma abosumi be enum ekonsia so just 5 to 6 months now for your prayers to payment slip no be bia ya amount aha sana Ghana system now etie ye fa wo adwuma as nurse and as teacher ni enye say fa that same month there be obeya adwuma be 5 getting to 6 months near the protest for niema now for salary na aboma babako it afterwards na say month bia no obedi osere enti no abandon na form na say 4 months na guso apresi omu eniema ene ekoto aba na onyo omu nyina koto mama hama ewe ne na senka omu ebeye adwuma 2 months asoso na ye 6 months enu na nka omu salary aba senka abandon na eteso a nka by 6 months ka somewhere February there enkomu salary nya be bom aba ba akope na nka fefiri okon eguso aba but abandon is abamufro iba ye no Abusia ma ya adwuma January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. 10 months ni ego last year no ho a o ma ya adwuma 13 months. That is 1 year 1 month. Omunya ahwe o market to MI. No nam so ma no na abusia mu de bufuo. Eko pie mu e wo Ministry of Health, the headquarters, complementary account, the office.
We are just pleading on the government to pay us. We've been working for 10 good months, no salary. Personally, my rent expired in 15th August. I've not been able to pay. My landlord is always asking, when are you paying? I'll be like, they'll pay us. Please give me time. I stay at Spantine. I wake up Kolebu. I take transportation, 42 cities to work every day. How do they expect me to get that money to come?
Emma, account of Krabano. Just now omu shanty. Pay us now, account of pay us now. Yes, or no crowd to 2 years. Yes, what the Jamano. What the Adani Jama, yes, the woman pay us now, can't know when you are blood, or no, I read them at the circular. What are they want to of your case? I can't know this. Emma, next for book ebufu, and we see demonstration and run a course one. I don't know media, that's what TikTok I fancy crazy. Massa, young Sremo, Mamma, when I did it, Munya de Mochel. Oh, Bias, Munya de Mochel. Cratchy, you never organ have the edge of my Munya dinner of my the common de Wamasa, Tinazico. Ye come ma common ya just know my muti
raba pe baby fa ho unya baby ntena u dan kaso nti ye nya odai kotra mahama ti yo ana ko Jubilee House ho na obenya baby atena wa munya mransa ma mudi ye ka kire mu na mo se mo nti ase mahama ono no muti bi adwuma 3 years no otua mo 3 months mon kwala mpanifu te say ye num biye tumufo amuntie ene ya jisika no so ye nto mon kwana ngosha yarefo no mahama onye tua amaka wono uchira de 3 years a o metua 3 months no tu ko chira de o de o chira de 3 years no so a o abema mo 3 months samu mun ni suban na mo fo say obi na mo ye no mo na mo ye mo nti ko nanu maame ene obusuafo nkotena why next time ya no manji NDC fuedu omu ni policy omu ni hwio 24-hour economy kuko nkete no krompo mu so na mama katua nkoda wa nkoda hey
enra mi tie news and nurse for mo se nyamo de yentua moka na yen post mu etie nya den yenya mo de hwesu na mo sia fonfon mai wa last year ya na mo ho fefe hwesu de mo sia fonfon no mo yi dompe munye ho hwe mahama no ni mo ho adaje o na wako US akoji criminals aba na wo pe ba bia mo mada no kura wonyan na wako first kada mo se be na mbe wu fa no ben me meseku for Yankopon so ma mo mpenafo kura se nya jamo mo mpenafo omunya mo ne ko mo ne mo bank bi mo mbesia because we are ungrateful my one keten mo na fian na kufu ado ahwe mo mam bi tum botom mama dwani di e training mo wuye mo jiska ya agenso ya ntu ya agenso ya ntu no hwe mapantan nyina na yi hankra no munye ho hwe mo na mo de mo pa obi ne demonstration biem na mi so mu a mo ga san don say yes ana be kai nkrofo no mo ye ya gie di yento ye be gie di yento mawo ene ye nyina ye su ye nyina ye cry
nurse for no so mo se aye den ya asemu 10 months ye ntua moka mo ye sure say 10 bosom say 1 2 3 say 10 ye ntua moka 10 nurse month ma ko 10 enuru say enuru 1 year enuru 2 years enuru 3 years eni ye ntua moka na ma begina aponu so na mo pa hwan ya cho say wa metua moka ye ya aban me ya aban na say me president na ma betua moka mo nkon kran mo ye video na mo de abeto internet so president ye net internet no so enye ene net so ntesa mo faka ba bibia mo bia na mo ko Flaster House so mo ko Parliament House na ma ko gina no akokasa asa na ha na mo kan na mo de abeto no ya mo se yenye mo den nurse fu ye aha na mo kan na mo de abeto ya mo se yenye mo den se yentua mo ka mo nko ton asota mo nko chichiri kinkin ton pan no ho de bibia ho Ghana wuhia capital kese bia e na ade establish you nti wo hwe be me kwabrane te sem ya me joma so salaries akwa adum na wo ba akoso mami odenden na nsefo no ni me de Bantuma street no ene manhia ene mumu krofuru eho nyina ya fa ye market ni bia na de ba ha buda montana ho na monye next partition na mo fa ne nam kurumo ene yentwa meka na 10 months yentwa aka usu 10 months yentwa waka wa betena period nga period sa dia ndie mo ma yen fe wan adwene wate na mo so aba fresh na ma ba kurum afofora ba kwa me ba sa me fu yi na me kwaduma yetwa eka 15 fu mo de mo keka de yetwa mo ka nyina enkyere wo mo mo so be hye adwuma de amamo ombe hye adwuma de amamo ba de me hu na nim ko toa na nim ya uti edin ma kura anko yi ya wo check se 15 fu na yetwa woka yo ombe check muntimi ngasa na mo muntimi ngasa bi kura obae no ja asama be kametu Ghana ni abontin ko bi ni ebi kura ojama na me bae no me bae me ko school me sua kasa mente kasa no ebi a me ko no 7 months se de be 7 months wo betima package ka go woti bas mu ke kan ka data yetwa woka o ke kan data yetwa woka adi be yew na ba bua sika wo tuoi sika wo de bae wunya enye wa wo dia nti afina wo kutua usika no be me mo fama sem free so no me to me was vice ato akwene form mu free me so nko no ama yedi machi a na ma bakuro ni mo be hu de etua mu ye be ya na ya be kan ya be tubu funti no mo free say ye tra efira fo be sole mo so adwuma fo be sole mo so nkrata wura be so mo so mo be hu de be etua mu ye tua ka 15 fo de be Ghana fo be si ahye adwuma ama mo no o ma hu se ma say no boy ene wo boga fu nyina akra nti wo mudin na wa kwakume no udin eni ni emem woni address wo da mo mo free me so na me nkɔ hwɛ me ba no obedi dia na me nkɔ tete ma na dia
enya no mo fa shaisi ni na mo nurse fo mo ko po bi esu agu ni so adan ne ho prefect Dining hall prefect no health minister no a dining hall prefect o. Na wo no dining hall prefect nyansa be pa ji say aduane chiche nyansa no wo to nyansa bi afa solve mo problem ma mo. Shai say ahun amani amakofa ama mo ho. Nanka alawa delay alawa. Nanka delayed alawa was better. Delayed alawa no e better. Shai say afa no makodi na say na 10 months say di mbe huni. 365 days no kura nse ke etua moka na mo hu Jimmy sa mo tia ho to kuruma mo mpegi sa makom papa we die no wan find them some time ago mo sa akodina akoto na ye nto na mo hi mo pa empuna mo nkwan na mo nim ye hyai se empunam on se mo agi mo ni so afi na kom de mo kombe de mo sa na mo health minister Kwaku Minta Kando no ye yi o dining hall prefect to no enuane chiche na no chiche university. No aban we government we NDC and obenya kwan where health minister and party baby shaise
Ebusia we dey here video here that's way we are semo minister ikan minister of health Menta Akando and anesifo I dem susa be hia no mu buafu no mu che ne se nyema nkoyi ekomu de wo nyema mu nye na health minister pega ne nsa bosi boni tinku neni aginyim no moto no ho nti ogina ho na o sresre enye ne yampo ne rempo anho ne yemupo anhyehe no kese wo Philip proud say nurse for ye demonstration mu tunyom me say agro no yanka si wachi a o say agro no ye de ebusia hwe de yakoso wo soro
NPP are buying my clearance form. What am I the month of August 2024? Besides, an NPP with the strength, the financial strength to pay us. At the internet, one pay, one fire, no one try at least 2 months, and Sunday upon Tuaba. If we start 2016, or catch a set of your Tuaba manner, or restore allowance. And your Tuaba man, no restore allowance. Whether we voted for him or not, once he won, Yanani Tomano. Wouldn't it have been better, say, and Kabesa a postie or my clearance or be postie near the Tamba say thank you. Say, son, I'm going to say any vote you out. It is someone in a stick out on more, and for my clearance, Kabesa any time. See, can you want to know my clearance or one fire? What the other buy and what city cow wanting? Won't revoke because everybody was saying, sir, you have Pamunasis. MMP before the Prana, you would say, let me Chiamoka, when you take for your Chiamoka, you have Pamomo. I never been to a kind of share soon to Betina. I can't say, I trust a woman too. Am I yet so to yourself? Oh, you're not your dinner. Send out credit to the one soon China walk on. I didn't have a catch. I said, what about you? Now, but I want to meet China and Ghana for a kick. I said, who can revoke? I don't want man coffee. I could see you, man.
Amen. I mean, so that's a part of people by the Nakufa Ado. Now, Ninya made that was say, what my pum I cannot press MPP time on my current from 2024. And I'm saying, no, Munis can until one farmer. And now, dying, John Domini Mama, Sakawa president, scam, kill that president, Rebecca himself, move to me, man. Move to me, a man on a bar. On your farm or buy 10 good months in or Mamuska, Unjamuka, more kind. Then I could find the Yakupon. On Ebia on our Twapa, wow, Casabia on our Twapa. Now, Omoma Canadian. Our could now social media case, Scania Gensuento, Alawania Gensuento, Sapr, and at your mamma near Peno. No one said your mamma be chobuntro. Munti, John Domini Mamma could not simply sketch himself. Montu more necessary, more fun to me, man. No bow or bit young or from a young why they were young cat. Because MPP can create him say, Mama Sankran from but on from a Goniska. And now young poor killed a bino, and became sort of a former Chamuka and Pa and one famuna. Mugum Chika, and 10 months in ye. Mundi old Chamuka, and a failure more temper to quiet demonstration, and a failure more kaka in Yamba and no mapa, no crena, and no kufa to catch them. And I'm saying Ghana for moon pen and no quasam, Mumpobio, the canoe cry at them, no pedibia, Mumpobio, the dadam, a car tro, the atremono, and none a Ghana for Monijo will go, people can't quite terms of a mamma grand from Obama Grand from, never one for my go in this canoe. Man, you need. Between social media, because I Alawania just to suppress a John Domani Mama. Now, for John Domani Mama, 10 months, Jamuka, Musu, ebia wo na wo a wo kase de wo nyansa koto papa wo nyansa koto papa ba wo nyamo a mo jejira kwa mutiri wo gugugugu mo ko pe mame da gomba fa jiju mutiri wo akuku because kepu a mo de to adwere de kwa bi ni ho nti mutiri wo nyina propo ayira man kai na nakufo ado ansere a mo be kai na su wo mo a mo jejira ho no mo musa mo say from 2012 every 2024 no na sini ben na so organa NDC aban ene fa no mo conversation na sini bi ohwe me bra conversation na be kirem say me na sini NDC aban na fa me mumra akufo do na eni papa ko be kan John Atamese nkura abom e be kan Qnet aban dondoman mama so nkura abom e be kan ono ankasa nkura abom no fo mu say chaw 2060 ofa nipa say chaw nipa kai mun kai papa e mun pede ne ya mun be die wo e do na mun pe mun kai machi mun kai obi yo papa no ade wa kai machi kai machi mun ya teacher for no mushu achi aro a teacher for no mushu fa achi aro koto aba de tie MPP aba koto aba e de ma NDC how me gina wo me da sori a me ntiase SNS ni teacher ni timi koto aba de ma NDC how de na NDC no wa no wa brabom wo a ujira no koto aba de ma NDC teacher ni nurse no NDC ni na fa wadwuma MPP aba na fa wadwuma nipa ya de a osaye wo nyina ya yensa ni din na mo brewia bo na mo timu na mo ye demonstration na ma mentweka na kwam na minta akando why the go to say funu na ho anwan and then ma me fo na mo gu ayi why office mo na mo gu choka nipa be 3,000 5,000 and mo gu why office because mo ma no ya feli wo ma nya school tino mo gu na mo pe school ama mo ma ya mo na twia mo nyina mo ka twedi ampo tuturobo tu kwa me twe na na ku for nyame no na twia mo nyina mo ka awofo nurse fo teacher fo SHS fo nkura nyame be twetwa mu nyina mo kase mo am koto abade ti MPP aban no because mo MPP aban abo mo che obi a oga na ha no awofo school fo nkura nurse fo teacher fo MPP aban wa abo mo che obi bia na obama mo oba mo die mu esu mo yi ni ba akode ma no because of some was come demo into mo pedokro mo pen ko nketenkete mo bi obetwa mo ntro obi ja simpies wo hwa mo tro mo achechena so mo because NDC no ko John yare wa adwene wa tata so se covalent bonding NDC no di akere wa adwene wei a wa tata so na adwene ni pare dwen kwa na wo de na yira aban we aban o se nipa ye nim na adwene no ana nipa nim na wia no yen so kenya mfa hwele ni manado John do mani mama yen nim ni fitete yen bi obetima ye yen so hwa ba adwuma e foka ni person ko na teachers ni nurses for co demonstration akese ye Ghana for mo se mo pewe mo peka ya motom the end will justify the means. This is just the beginning. We are almost in the 10th month of the year. Man kaya ku for da man so be kana sere mo be ko so atempento kwa ne
Ai, asa me grade ya Jose Anto ya cha alawani ni pa alawani ni alawani ni majemento tira wanyo mabe e won comment section Penyah Block Media akra